Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to focus on making your digital files stay where they belong, right with you. All of us have been in a place where we're about to say perform a Windows 11 reinstall to give us that fresh PC feeling, but then panic sets in. What if the system backup files fail? What if your photos or your projects or your Windows 11 file backups disappear when you hit format? What if you lose everything? The nightmare is real, but it's one that we can prevent. You might not know this, but World Backup Day is coming up, and in the spirit of the occasion, we're going to start by covering what it is and why you should care. Then we'll get into exactly how to back up Windows 11 quickly. But before we get into that, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel for more. Let's get started. Alright, what exactly is World Backup Day? The occasion is celebrated every year on March 31st, the day before April Fool's Day, and it's a global initiative that's designed to make sure that we don't end up with no data when our hard drive fails. The purpose of the event is to advocate for regular PC backup habits and ensure data verification. Think of it like a digital insurance policy. It's common for most people to see system backups as a one thing, but in reality, this file safety method is a habit that we need to incorporate on a daily basis. Doing so is essential, and it helps ensure your Windows 11 backup is ready when you need it most. So, on this World Backup Day, let's not just hit save and walk away, let's run a complete recovery drill. Knowing how to back up Windows 11 is one thing, but verifying that your files have actually been recovered is something completely different, and today we're going to cover both. Creating a backup before formatting Windows 11 is essential because there are multiple risks involved. Reformatting your drive can make your PC feel brand new, but it's also the most dangerous moment for your data since one wrong click leads to an irreversible loss. One of the most common reasons why this happens is that you think you've saved everything when you actually haven't. When it comes to backing up files, it's not just about your documents folder. Most people tend to forget about their localized app settings, buried project files, or hidden photo libraries that are tucked away somewhere in a subdirectory. Given this, if there's no proper format in place, these files are gone as soon as the format starts. Using a solid Windows 11 backup and restore strategy is the only way to remove such risks. Whether you're moving from Windows 10 or you're already on Windows 11, taking the time to secure a system backup ensures that a fresh start for your operating system doesn't mean a final goodbye to your files. Now, when it comes to backing up the data before formatting, you have multiple options. Let's look at what these options are and how you can perform them. The simplest and most reliable way for a Windows 11 backup to an external drive is a manual transfer. If you want a quick Windows 11 file backup, check your cloud status and make sure that the data is there. The best way to create a Windows 11 full backup that includes your entire operating system configuration is with an image file backup. And finally, export application credentials and licenses, which involves exporting your browser bookmarks to a HTML file, backing up your email configurations and any software license keys into a text file on your external drive. If you're somebody who is ready to format, but you don't have all day, then this quick start workflow tutorial is exactly what you need. Before you format, the first thing to do is an external dump. For this, go to the respective folders where you have your essential files, copy them, and paste them to an external drive connected to your device. Doing this is essential as it ensures your files are always safe. Once you've backed your files up, the next step in the workflow is to do a cloud sync. For this, simply click on the OneDrive icon and click on Up to Date or All Files Synced. If it says uploading, you should wait for the upload to complete. And if you have files that aren't part of your auto sync, then you can manually drag them onto your cloud storage for now. Next comes the small stuff. This is where most people fall down. What you have to do is open your browser and export your bookmarks as a HTML file, then copy and paste your license codes, your logins, and specific configuration settings to a text file and save those directly to your external drive. For the last step, you need to go to System and Security to create a Windows 11 system image backup. This acts as the ultimate undo button in case your new installation fails. You can restore the system image backup of Windows 11 to where you are right now. Even with a solid Windows 11 backup, there is one final step every pro takes before formatting: the verification test. This is where Wondershare Recoverit becomes an essential part of your tech tutorial kit. Once you've completed the backup to an external drive, randomly delete a file from a given folder and then try to restore it using Recoverit. For this, launch Recoverit and look on the drive where you deleted the file from. Hover over it and click Scan. Once the scan's complete, you'll be able to see the deleted files you've recovered and you can preview or restore them. Now, let's assume that things go really wrong. You format and you're trying to restore Windows 11 and you realize you've forgotten a crucial folder and now you need that data back. Don't panic. You can still get these files back. For this, launch Recoverit and look on the drive where the files were deleted, hover over it and click Scan. Once the scan's complete, you'll be able to see the deleted files in the interface. If you can't, you then have the option to run a deep scan as shown here. Once the deep scan is done, you can click on one or multiple files and either preview them or choose to restore them by clicking on Recover. Now choose a restoration location and hit Save. And that's all you need to know when it comes to creating a backup before you hit Format in Windows 11. Remember, using multiple options like having your files stored on an external drive and backing up data online is essential. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.